Welcome to today's video. This video is about how to lock cells in Excel and protect your worksheet. I have a worksheet here that has names in it, months in it and amounts in it, and I want to protect it against unwanted overrides or deletion or changes. On this worksheet, I prevented it from being able to add columns. It's not an option. I can't change the headings of the months. I get a warning. Nor can I change it for the totals. I can change, for example, amounts. I can add a row, let's say NA2, and then I can add more amounts. So how did I do that? Sheet 2, same sheet basically. This one is unprotected, so I can add stuff. First thing you want to do is go to the top left hand corner between the 1 and the A, left mouse button. It selects the entire sheet. Then you say right mouse button, format cells, and here you have a tick box. Unticked is unlocked and locked. Now the entire sheet is locked. Now we are doing a selection of the area that you want to be able to edit. You can pick the first one, hold the shift button and the last in the range and you get the same thing. Right mouse button, same box, format cells, and now you say I want to unlock it. Okay. Almost done. We go to the review tab and you go to the protect sheet icon. Now you can enter a password and you can add options or tick options. It says allow all users of this worksheet to select lock cells, select unlocked cells, and I say insert columns. No, insert rows. Then I say magic password is, let's say, ROB. I can remember that. Then ask for confirmation, ROB. And now it's done. So now when you want to change this, you can. When you want to change this, you get a warning. When you want to change the month, same thing. When you want to change the columns, like you want to add one, you can't. You can add a row. You can add a name. And again, you can add amounts. As soon as you want to add more months, like here, you can't. But then you have to unprotect it. Unprotecting is the same thing. You go to review, unprotect, and it asks for the password. You say ROB. Okay. And now it's done. Now you can add stuff again and it's just unprotected. So that's basically all I have to show you on protecting a worksheet. How to lock cells, how to lock columns and rows. And there are different options in that review thing, so you can play around with it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.